What if I told you that one of the most powerful learning tools isn't a fancy app or expensive software? It's storytelling. Think about it. The lessons that stick with us the longest aren't just lists of facts. They're the ones wrapped in stories. Why? Because stories grab our attention, spark emotions, and make complex ideas easier to understand. In this video, we'll explore how storytelling transforms instructional design, making learning more engaging, relatable, and unforgettable. Stories are sticky. They connect with both the mind and the heart. Research shows that when emotions are involved, learners retain information longer, according to Caine Caine in 1994. Why does storytelling work in instructional design? First, it boosts retention. Stories make abstract concepts tangible. Second, it increases engagement. A well-told story pulls learners in. Third, it creates emotional connections. Learning is more effective when learners relate to the content. Take a moment to reflect. Think about your favorite teacher. Were they great because they listed facts, or because they told stories that brought learning to life? Not all stories are created equal, especially in education. A well-structured story makes learning meaningful. Here's how to craft one that sticks. There are 4 key elements of a learning story. First, the hook. Grab attention with a surprising fact, relatable scenario, or intriguing question. Second, the challenge. Present a problem that needs solving. This is where the core learning content is introduced. Third, the resolution. Offer insights, strategies, or solutions that tie directly to learning objectives. And fourth, the takeaway. Reinforce the key lesson, ensuring learners walk away with something valuable. Think of storytelling in education like sneaking vegetables into a smoothie. Learners don't even realize they're digesting valuable information because they're so caught up in the narrative. So, how can you incorporate storytelling into your instructional design? Here are some easy ways. First, use case studies. Real-world examples bring theories to life. Second, try scenario-based learning. Put learners in decision-making roles with interactive stories. Third, use character-driven narratives. Follow a relatable character's journey as they solve problems. And fourth, integrate historical or industry-specific stories. Show how past events or real-life challenges apply to the content. Storytelling isn't just for entertainment, it's a powerful instructional tool that helps learners connect, engage, and remember. Here are the key takeaways. Use stories to frame concepts, not just deliver facts. Structure your stories with a hook, challenge, resolution, and takeaway. Integrate real-world scenarios, case studies, and character-driven narratives. Now think about your own course. How can you use storytelling to make learning more engaging? Let's chat in the comments.
Thank you for viewing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.